In this session, we'll look into a demo of quick find. In the previous session, we looked at the example of quick find, and the quick find dig approach, and we had an integer array of size n 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the interpretation P and Q are connected if they have the same ID. So please make sure that you watch this video before starting the quick find demonstration. So just to revise what we discussed in the previous session. So data structure integer array ID of size n. P and Q were connected if and only if they have the same ID, and we have the find and union. So find is check if P and Q have the same ID. Union, to merge components containing P and Q, change all entries whose ID equals ID P to ID Q. ID P should be replaced by ID Q. So this is again from the famous demonstration. So if we have union 3, 4, so it shows we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have the IDs as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well. So your union 4, 3, that means these two, 4 and 3. So if we had that operation, union 4, 3, we connected it, and now you can see the ID. So as the definition, ID of P should be replaced by ID of Q. So the ID of 4, so the ID of 4 is 3. Previously it was 4. The ID was 4. Is 4 previously. Was 4 previously. It should be changed with the ID of 3. So 3 comes here. So if you look at this example again. So originally it is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have the IDs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So union 4, 3, that means the ID of 4. So ID of 4. So this is 4. The ID of 4 is also 4 now. The ID of 3 is 3. So union 4, 3, that means the ID of 4, this 4 should be replaced with the ID of 3. So this 4, the ID of 4 is 4 now. It should be replaced with the ID of 3. The ID of 3 is 3. So 4 should be replaced by 3. So if we have it, 4 should be replaced by 3. Just like that. So you have to follow the same process for all the unions. So union 3, 8. The ID of 3 is 3. ID of 8 is 8. So ID of 3 should be replaced with the ID of 8. So let's see what happens. So ID of 3 should be replaced and the 8 comes here. So id of 3 is replaced with the id of 3. If you look at this again, and also we can see we have to follow another step, extra step, where we have to update all 3 instances with the latest id. Now you can see for 3 and 4 positions you have the id 3, but now with the next union command we are changing the id of id 3. So next we had union 38. So in the union 38 example, id of 3 should be replaced with the id of 8. So 8 came here, the id came here, should be 3 was replaced, and also as the extra step all the 3's should be replaced by 8. So you can see 8 is replaced. So in the slide also we had that example. To merge components, idp should be replaced by idq. So after union, so we have to update many values. Many values can change. So we discussed this in the theory part. So in the demonstration, so let's see, now we have union 6 5. In the diagram these things are connected, these two. id of 6 should be replaced by the id of 5. So id of 6 is 6. It should be replaced by the id of 5. So this 6, the id of 6 is 6. It should be replaced with the id of 5. id of 5 is 5. So now we can see this 6 is updated with 5. So just like that. So it's the same process that you have to follow. Union 9 4, this is updated with 8. So carefully follow this process again and again. The same process we have to do till the end. Union 2 1, again the same process. Connected 8 9. Now it checks whether 8 and 9 are connected. So from the array, if we want to check whether 8 and 9 are connected, both of them should have the same id. Now if we examine this array, we can see for 8 you have the id as 8. For 9 also you have the id as 8. For 8 you have the id as 8. For 9 you have the id as 8. So for 8 and 9 we have the same id, that is 8, id 8. So we can say, according to our theory, 8 and 9 are already connected. So that is from the array. From the diagram also we can see 8 and 9 are connected. 8, 3, 4, 9. So this is in the same component. Connected 5 0. Now we can see 5 and 0 not connected. 0's id is 0, 5's id is 5. So 5 and 0, 0, they are not connected. From the diagram also we can see depicted. So 5 is here, 0 is here, they are not connected. union 5 0. So now 5 and 0 are connected. Now 0 comes here, 5 side is changed, and also we have to change as the additional step, all the 5s will be replaced by this 0 now. This is the same process. Union 6 1. So you have to do the various changes. The same process, same theory. So carefully watch these steps again and again. So it's a very simple process. So don't mix up where you have to change.